So I welcome you to the Database Management System lecture series, and today's our topic is second normal form. The first normal form is being thoroughly discussed in the previous lecture. If you have not gone through it, then go to the link that's given in the description box below. Okay, this will help you to understand the second normal form, and this is very important topic. So the second normal form says that a table will be in that, or a relation will be in the second normal form only two conditions are satisfied. First, the relation must be in the first normal form. This means the relation should be first 1 and f already. And second information or second condition says that all the non-key attributes are fully functionally dependent on the primary key. Okay, so fully means no partial dependency is allowed here. So you have to note that in second normal form, partial dependency is no way allowed. Okay, so if these two conditions seems to be difficult for you, then I can take one example that will make you clear this concept. So let's take an example. I am considering one relation that is faculty info. Relation means your table, and this table has three attributes: faculty ID, subject, and faculty S. Now look at the table very carefully. If you want, then you can take a snapshot of this table also. Okay, done. So you will see that in the faculty ID some values are repeating, isn't it? 25 coming twice. So I can't take faculty ID as our primary key. I have to combine these two, faculty ID and subject, to form our primary key, because together they can imply all the other attributes value. Clear? So our faculty ID comma subject is our primary key. But if you look at the table very carefully, you will also find that from the faculty ID itself, you will get the faculty S. That means to say that the one part of the primary key, that is faculty ID, is deriving the other attribute faculty S value. And that is what we call partial dependency technically. So partial dependency exists in this table, so we can't say that this table is in second normal form, although it is in first normal form. Now, to convert it into second normal form, I have to break this table into two other tables. As the problems found in this table is faculty ID and faculty S case, so why don't you break this table into two tables? One table we have faculty ID and faculty S, their attributes. And the problem solved then. In other table will be faculty ID and subject. And you will see that here the values are unique now. 25 is deriving 30, 47 is 35, deriving 35, 83 is deriving 38. So all the values are found here. So this is one table, that is, I can say that faculty ID, faculty S details. Then other table is that faculty ID and subject. So 25 age group means that ID, 25 age ID faculty is teaching subject chemistry and biology as well. Then 47 English, 83 mathematics, and 83 again computer. So now you will not find any partial dependency here, because faculty ID is the primary key for both of these tables. So faculty ID for this table also, and then faculty ID for this table. So no partial dependency is there, and also this is in first normal form. So I can say that our broken out of tables, these two tables, okay, broken from this first initial table, now in second normal form. Okay, as partial dependency is not there. So guys, you have seen that how we discuss the partial dependency in second normal form, and how important this is to break the table into two or more tables to exhibit this partial second normal form properties. So guys, this is today's lectures on second normal form. I hope you have enjoyed this. Still, if any doubt exists, then don't forget to comment it through our comment box below. Okay, we'll see you in the next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye bye.